This course can be taken by any user of Microsoft Excel who aspires to become a VBA programmer. If all you know about VBA is to record macros to automate your spreadsheet, I recommend that you take this course and learn how to write the code yourself and code without limitations. It can also be taken by anyone who knows VBA but gets stuck every time and cannot finish every project he or she starts. Perhaps what you need is to polish up your basic skills. In this course, I will share with you the secret of the best coders. They all stick to basics. And as you take this course, you will learn how they do that.